we are right now in the practical part of this tutorial. So for you to send something professionally, as I earlier said, resources. So what you have to do, for example, when you're on social media, we have apps like WhatsApp, okay, and Facebook. So if you want to send something on social media, especially on WhatsApp, you have to send it in a professional way, because if you don't send it in a professional way, you will lose the quality of the resources that you are sending. So I would like you to see how I'm going to send resources, for example, to a friend of mine. Okay, so I'm going to access. Yes, okay. So for example, I would like to send engineer Ezekiel Ngo a document. Let me say I'm a graphic designer. Yes, I'm a graphic designer. I design things and I have at the end to send it to the client. So if you send it in the client in the normal way that you always send things, it will lose its quality. Okay, and even videos, if you send it the normal way that you always send things on WhatsApp, it will lose its quality. So the rightful way for you to send something in a professional way and maintain its quality, everything, its integrity intact, you click on this pin sign here. This is the pin sign. When you click on this pin sign, this window or this pin opens, where you see documents, camera, gallery, audio, catalog, quick reply, location, and contact. So when you click on above here, document, okay, so when you click on document now, you search, for example, what you have to send to that individual or to the client. It depends, or maybe to a friend. All right, so at this level now, you see complete action using download. So you click here once, yes, and now you search now for what you want to send. Is it a document, for example, or is an image that you want to send? For example, I do most of my designs in Pixel Lab. So I'll go to, for example, in Pixel Lab. Okay, yeah, let's say I have done this job already. That's for a client. Okay, so this is the job that I did already for a client. So I just have to click on it. Okay, if there are two files, just click on it, the two. Okay, and you click on open above here. So they'll say send 2 documents to engineer Ezekiel Ngo. You see, you click now on send. Okay, so you will see what happens. Okay, it has been sent. It's because data is not on. So let me just on the data. Okay, on the data, you see how it looks like. You see the resources looks like a document. Okay, it looks like a document. So in this way, WhatsApp cannot compress your document. But if you send it normally like this, let me say for example I have to send it like this. If I send it like this, okay, let me say I have to send it like this. Okay, this is the job. For example, I click on it. Okay, I click on it. I click send. For example, so when you send the job like this, it loses its quality. So if they have to print this one that I'm clicking on, okay, the quality would not be the same as what I've sent above here. Okay, so that's why I'm advising everyone using this social platform to know how to send resources. So you can either send audios, right? You pass through, you click here, document, you choose the audio that you have to send, or the video, or the document as I just did, or an image. Okay, and now you send. So you click on once, and now you choose, for example, what you want to send. So these are various designs that I have designed, and you send them now in a professional way to your clients or to your friends. So that's how you send things. So for example, I will send this other birthday design that I did for the man of God, Joshua Silman. Click on open. So this is the job has been sent to the client. So if you click on it, see, it opens. See, for example, it opens. See, so it looks so professional. So WhatsApp will not compress the job, right? But if you send it normally, as I indicated here, you see, it will compress it, and the quality of the printout will not be the best. So I'm advising you all, whenever you want to send things professionally, you should come and click on this pin here, click on document, and now you choose the resources that you have to send, and you send to the client or individual. So if you deem this tutorial resourceful to you, and there are many other tutorials already in my YouTube channel, free of charge. They are premium skills, free of charge. So I advise you to like, keep a comment, and make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel in order to receive all our updates. So on the Rostrom was the CEO of World Digital, by name Walter. I love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Ciao, ciao.